Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Cherry again from China. Today is my 23rd day of being here at China. So I decided to take video with myself while I walk with the dog. So for today's video, I just want to share about life, that life every day is a miracle. So, for today's video, I'm going to upload this one into my YouTube channel when I'll be back in Hong Kong tomorrow. So, I've got my ticket yesterday, and my flight is around 4 p.m. in the afternoon. So, I don't know what to say. But I just feel pretty in the video. I little bit though I appreciate myself so much. So I put the dog here. Maybe it's okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna put maybe here. I'm back. I'm in my room already at Hong Kong. So to those masaag sa akong channel, good for you. We are 14 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. I'm very tired. Time check 12:20 a.m. So today is April 6th. So road to 6 months as domestic princess. So alarm set 6:30. 6:30 na ako alarm eh. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Na-sleep na ta.